Welcome to family camping, glamping, and rafting in Cañon City.
We're going glamping, glamping! Yay, glamping, glamping! Oh, and this is Dolphin. She loves glamping and camping. Beep!
Well, after a few-hour drive down from Boulder, Colorado, we finally made it here in Cañon City to the Echo Canyon cabins where we're being set up with this amazing glamping tent. Rosie, you want to show us? Can you walk in?
Come on. Oh, here's some more stuff.
Start with the tent.
Campfire over there.
Stay focused.
This is the glamping tent.
Look at that. So gorgeous. Spacious. And what should we go do now, Rue?
We're going to have s'mores.
All right, let's go.
Come on. This is our s'more stuff. Blanket, s'more sticks, s'more stuff. All the stuff we need.
All right, let's head to the fire. What you doing, Rue?
Well, I'm gonna put this marshmallow on the stick and make a s'more. See?
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, let's roast it.
Yeah. Watch. Rose quartz is over there.
Oh, rose quartz, your namesake quartz. Hey, let's go check in.
Yeah, I gotta get in there.
Do you guys want to sit up front too?
You want to be in the front? Front sounds fun. Yeah, we'll do front.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Rafting!
So yeah, if you come smell this sap, let me know what it smells like. You have to get really close and up there.
It smells vanilla-y.
Smells like vanilla?
Uh-huh.
Do you remember what he said kind of tree that was? It's a ponderosa pine.
Oh yeah.
All right, gang, so that's a wrap. We're just coming off of Bighorn
Arkansas
Canyon.
River. Bighorn
Ramsey
Sheep
here
Canyon.
is our guide running the oars in the back. This is my first time on a half and half oar and paddle boat. Tell us a little bit about some of the water we went through.
We went through some pretty fun rapids today. Through some good class 2 and 3s like Spike Buck, Shark's Tooth. We were dodging rocks, crushing waves, splashing and laughing the whole way down.
Rosie was up front steering, right? Yeah, she had it all figured out. And low water now. We're at the end of season. It's you guys' last week in operation, I think.
Yeah.
So 300 CFS is pretty much bottom of the barrel for being able to run this stuff, because we had scraped along quite a bit in a few places.
Yeah.
Had some fun getting rafts off of rocks, and all part of the low water entertainment value.
Sure was. It was bumpy, but
Yeah.
we'll come back next year, June, when the water's higher. We'll be splashing and laughing even more.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Check you guys then. Ciao. Alright gang, so that's a pretty good wrap. We just got off the river. We're hitting the 8 Mile Bar and Grill, which is right here on site at Echo Canyon Rafting, and grabbing some nice lunch, mac and cheese, Philly cheesesteak. But most importantly, Rosie, what was your favorite part of the day?
Whoopty whoop whoop whoopity whoopty whoop whoop.
Which whoop?
Double rope.
The double dip whooped? The double dip rapid. We had, like Ramsey mentioned in the previous segment, we had all kinds of fun rapids we went through. Low water, but we're getting tanked up, lunching up, and then drive back to Boulder. Go back and see Mama and Ray Ray, and call it an adventure. We'll see you next time we're off yondering. Cheers. Say bye. Oh, what do you want to tell them?
Ninja.
Oh, yeah. And there's Rosie's You Should Ninja Mix. All right, don't ninja the lemonade on the floor again, okay? Ciao, ciao. Say bye.
Bye-bye.